Hey YouTube, today is Friday, the 22nd of January 2021, about 12:56 in the afternoon, and you can see where we're at, the map of Joshua Springs Park and Preserve. There's all the little meanings to this map, and then here's the map itself. So you see this right here, this Ring Mountain Event Center, that's up there on the top of that hill right there. So that's where it's at. You can see the water. Some of the nice trees here, and then paths, and we're going to start walking down the path here. And got a playground over there. If you got any kids with you, which we don't, we did actually have us a little picnic lunch down there on that little shelter house right there to the right. See nice trees right there, and here we go. Let's see, that says 3/4 of a mile. All right, so let's go and see what we can see. Got the little lake over there, should be able to see that. More nice trees and stuff. All right, check out these trees here, and look at this one that's growing separate, and it's heading out over the water there. Ain't that a cool view? Really like that. All right, we'll get back on the trail and see what we got. All right, so here's a little fishing pier, looks like. And here, look, that's fairly deep actually. And the other side gets pretty deep pretty fast. And then, oh look, there's no outlook over there. I got rocks down there. And see right here, we got a couple of benches so you can sit. And I assume you can fish off of this thing. And yeah, here you ain't seen no bottom, so who knows how deep that is. Got some wood across there and some pretty nice trees. That's the event center again up there at that right there. You see right up there, looks like a little overlook, and then them nice rock cliffs right there. All right, let's go on and see what we can find. All right, now here we got some ducks. You can see racing right towards us,
and it feels like we're going backwards.
They must think we have something, but we don't. But here they come. Let's get down here to. Hey guy.
Hi, pretty.
All right, so we got some ducks. All right, so we got just a tiny piece here, and of course there's this really nice tree. I show you, it's actually two trees. You see those two trunks right in there. And then got us a bench right here. It's in a nice shade, so you can see that's two distinct trunks there. Pretty nice, huh? All that Spanish moss, check that out. Pretty nice. And then if you were sitting on this bench, that right there would be your view. That's where we just were, right down there in that little place where the ducks came up and all. So we haven't gotten too far. And then we're going to be heading back down this way. Let's keep going. Alright, check out all of these trees. What a nice little view. I like all the crooks and the bends and the bows and everything. Here we're right back to that's the bathrooms there. It's a nice limestone building. More of the trees. It is cool how they're bent so much. Alright, and you see these.
Spanish moss on that.
And then, yeah, that's what she's talking about right there, is that Spanish moss. And you see these trees that just came through right there. All right, more trees. This place has a lot of beautiful trees. This one right there, really nice.
So if you love trees, hill country is for you.
Yep. Hill country equal tree country. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so you see this? This is actually a bird blind. Little ramp here to walk up. So you can look off here to the side. See those nice trees over there? Got a lower thing here in case you get some birds down in the brush. And then right here, see the river down there? A couple of bends in it. And again, the event center up there at the top of the hill. And here you got a great big bench that goes all the way through here. And then they got a picnic pavilion over there. I'll show you. There you go, you see that? So we're gonna head down and go back over. If you can see over in somewhere through there, there's a path. We're gonna go back and go down and start winding our way up, try to get to that center up there and get some good views. There's a dirt road over there too. All right, let's keep it going and see what we can see, because there's no birds here in the bird blind. Let's check out this log and those prickly pear over there. I'll put a picture in here that I got of it. See those nice trees back there, and all of these nice trees here. Very nice. This is their flying field over here, but it appears to be padlocked. Yeah, and I see their a landing strip over there too, looks like. Yes, definitely padlocked. So it says Bernie Air Model Society Remote Control Flying Field. Come join the fun at berniec.com. So they got little places to stand down there apparently. But you can see the padlocks right here. And then right over there is the runway. So place you can fly, but apparently it's just for that club, I guess. Alright, let's keep going, see what we can get here, right down here. Alright, this is the Joshua Creek Loop that we're on. See these nice trees over here, back behind us. And then the creek itself, which I earlier thought was a river, is over there. Yeah, that's the, yeah, if you can see it, is up on that hill, right in that area is the bird blind where I shot a few clips ago. So we're on the other side of the creek and gonna take this thing and see where it goes. So just look at the nice trees. Pretty cool. We definitely like the trees in the hill country.
Over here should be the water.
Something worth looking at. Yeah, here, let me keep you on here. Yeah, this is even wider out here. All right, so here's the Joshua Creek, and wow, it looks pretty deep. But on the very edge, you can see the bottom. But this is that bend I shot earlier, one up there, and then that's it. All right, back that away. So you can see the shimmery, it's like diamonds are on the water. Alright, so this is part of it, so we'll keep going. Well, here, in fact, let me do this. I'll go here on this edge and get a little bit of these rock cliffs here. Hopefully pretty cool. Alright, let's keep it going and see what we can find out. Alright, so you see by this trail, we've only come a half a mile. We're still on Joshua Creek Loop. Heading up, it's flattened out here. But then the important part is, see the view here. This is what we walked across to get over to this area. And then you see the water down there and all through there. And that's the picnic pavilions over there. The bird lookouts on over where we were at. And then the The Longhorns, I see them way over in that field. I know this can't see them, but that's where they're at. And then that's the parking lot. The car is pretty much dead and straight in front of me, right over there. And then, if you look this way out there, you see, hopefully, maybe the vehicle's moving. That's I-10. We're that close to the interstate of being here. So, this is the trail. We'll keep going, and if we can make it to the top, then I'll show you that to you. Alright, so we come out into this little short trail. See this nice tree here, and these two benches underneath of it in the shade. Out here is actually a parking area. See these huge stones? That's what this is a parking area. And so the way that we're going is right up this road, and I'll show you, if you can't read it yet, Ring Mountain Event Center. That's exactly what that sign says there. Now I know you can see it for sure. And you can see this is actually a paved road. We're going to walk up to it, but the other thing I want you to see is right there, what's in front of you is that tree. I'm not sure how much of that's being blown out, so I'm going to get closer to it and let you see this trunk here. Yeah, I should be seeing it pretty good now. Look at this thing. Look how massive that is. Good swing branches on there, I can tell you that. And then see these over here. Look, these branches go all the way out. Pretty cool, huh? Look at right up into the tree and the sky. Look at that sky too. Beautiful. This tree over here. And then even here, say we got this tree. Look at how nice these branches are. And over here, going in the sun a little bit. But then this one, check that out. And then again, big trunk right there. Yeah, I know you can see that good. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous trees. And I mean, they're everywhere, I gotta say. They're everywhere. Look at all those trees through there, all the way up this road, and back in through here. And then I've even got somebody following me. So, I'm not sure who that is, but we'll see. Alright, let's keep walking and see if we can't get to the event center and see what that view's all about. Alright, we'll take a little break, and then we're still heading up the hill. And seeing this thing here, take a look at all these little marks. I mean, this looks like a rock, and look down the side of it. You can see all that, but it's actually white. If it's a rock, of course, I mean, it's hollow. I'm not 100% sure what it is. That's interesting. But anyway, just to show you our view from up here where we're at, you can see here again, there's water down in there, and then water all through there. The Longhorns are way out in that field. They look teeny like little dots. The car is out there. And I-10, you can see it way out there. If you can see the vehicles going by out there, little things moving. And so we're going to try to continue on up and see what we can. Yeah, we're heading that way, but we're almost there. That's the center right up there. You should be able to see that. So let's go on and see what we can do. Alright, so we made it up. That's the road there. And this is what you come up here for. They rent this thing out. That's the event center. We just talking to an old guy that was here actually, and he talked about it. You know, they rent it out for weddings and receptions and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, looking over the back here, see these hills, and they got these little tiny trailers here, I guess for that antenna. All that. But this actually used to be a 700-acre ranch, he told us, and the people that owned it, they sold it so that it couldn't be developed. So that's why it's this park now. But if you can imagine living in that. I love limestone houses, and this is the exact color of limestone that I truly love. So I'd take this in a heartbeat if I could. But you can see the deserty things here. And the tree, got that big yucca there. So let's do this. Let's go up here. And we'll look in. Yeah, it's just empty. You can see all the way through there on the other side. See that shiny tile down there? And I can see the interstate through those other windows way down there. All right. Let's go see what we can see here. Nice little wall out here. Got him a propane tank over there. And there you go, some of the railing up there. Chimney. Look at there, the moon's out way up there, if you can see that. But down there is the water that I've shown you several times from several vantage points there. Here's part of the road that we walked up. And we'll be walking back down here in a few minutes. You can see way out through there. And again, just to orient you, besides seeing the water down here, if you can look way out there in that field, you see 3 or 4 little dots, and those are the Longhorns. And of course the water, and again, straight out through there is our car down there in the parking lot. And you can see that big truck, hopefully, way out there in the distance, cars and stuff on I-10. And that's I-10 down there as well. People racing by. And let's get over here. Show you this. Little trees there. Yeah, boy. Got a nice deck here. And here's the other side of this, so we're at floor level here. Great big fireplace over there. Looks like maybe a kitchen. Let's go up this nice part of the deck here. They got these nice columns. Yeah, that is a kitchen. Let's see if I can show it to you. Yeah, you see that big commercial refrigerator in there and big faucet and everything. Then there's a bar and stuff back through there. Looks like that's on the outside, actually. This is sort of your view from back here. And then this just ends right over here. But it's all covered. You see all that? All covered. All that's covered. So you can sit out here in the rain and enjoy it that way. But there's your view from up here. So this is what we climbed up here for. Definitely not a bad view, I'll tell you that. Alright, so I see something else, I will bring it to you. Alright, we've come around a little bit. And if you look right down here, you see a cross. We saw that on the way back, on the way up I mean. That's the road down through there, right there. That's the cross, and then the road goes on. We'll be going down that in a minute. But this is the view from this part. You see the nice hills. But again, the interstate out through there, so it's one bad thing. And again, the water back over yonder. Nice and shady here, a good breeze. Feels just about perfect. Let's see what else we can find.